Welcome to Switchmax tutorial. So, I'm going to teach you how to export and publish file from Switchmax. So, let's open first a file from Switchmax. So, now let's save the file. Let's click File, then find Export. So, we have here different kinds of format. Let's try first the SWF format. Then save. So, let's now see the movie. So, in using the SWF format, make sure that you have Adobe Flash Player to play. So, the second one is HTML plus SWF. So, this format enables you to export both file of SWF and then HTML. So, we have here the HTML, then the SWF. So, it's also working. So, let's try another one. Let's click File, Export, then the EXE or projector format. So, when we use EXE, it doesn't enable you to use it on the website. So, let's try. Also working. The next one is the AVI movie or the video file format. So, when you use AVI format, so when using the AVI format, it enables you to play it on the Microsoft Windows Media Player. Let's try. So, as you can see, it's also working. So, the next one is the GIF animation. So, let's try to see if it's working. So, the GIF. So, here is the GIF format. The last one is the PNG format. So, remember, when you use the PNG format, make sure you have a folder to put all the pictures. So, avoid the wrong sequence of the picture. So let's see. Here is the PNG. So it's also working. So I hope you learned something from our tutorial. Thank you for watching.